provides enough to satisfy every man's needs but not every man's greed. Quoted by Mahatma Gandhi. World Nature Conservation Day is celebrated on 28th July annually around the world to increase awareness about protecting the natural resources and to make people understand about the importance of the conservation of the nature. This day recognizes that a healthy environment is the foundation for a stable and productive society and ensures that the well-being of present and future generations. There are several threats to nature like deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, pollution using plastics, chemicals, etc. Earth has provided basic necessity to live like water, air, soil, minerals, trees, animals, food, etc. So we should keep nature clean and healthy.